Namaste and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey to explore 3 powerful spiritual tools that are deeply connected yet distinct in their essence: Tantra, Mantra, and Yantra. These ancient practices have the potential to unlock higher consciousness, self-realization, and profound spiritual awakening. But the question that often arises is, what exactly are they and how do they work? Join us as we delve deep into these sacred arts, uncover their unique attributes, and understand how they complement each other on the path to enlightenment. Let's begin with Tantra, a spiritual science that has been practiced for thousands of years, originating in ancient India. Despite its rich history, Tantra is frequently misunderstood because of its associations with the occult, rituals, and sometimes even negative connotations. But at its core, Tantra is a path of personal transformation, a method that uses sacred rituals, symbols, and energy work to elevate our consciousness. At the heart of Tantra is the activation of energy centers within the body, specifically the chakras. These chakras, like the Muladhara, root chakra, and Svadhisthana, sacral chakra, are the very points where dormant spiritual energy, known as Kundalini, resides. Through specific tantric practices such as mantras, meditations, rituals, and visualizations, Tantra awakens this latent energy and channels it upward toward higher chakras, ultimately leading to a heightened state of awareness and spiritual realization. But Tantra isn't just about chasing spiritual highs or awakening latent powers. It's about integration, embracing both the material and spiritual aspects of life as 2 interconnected forces. The ultimate goal of Tantra is to unite the divine masculine and divine feminine energies, achieving spiritual freedom and awakening to the truth of our existence. Tantra is often considered the starting phase of yoga, a foundational practice that works directly with the body's energy system, chakras, and subtle energies. It is in Tantra that a practitioner begins to understand and engage with the physical and energetic bodies to create balance and transformation. Tantra helps awaken and channel energies, especially through specific rituals, mantras, and meditations. These practices are primarily focused on the lower chakras, where the dormant spiritual energy, Kundalini, rests, and where a significant part of our spiritual and material transformation begins. Many people fear Tantra because of its association with certain lower chakras and the intense energy work it involves. Let's look at some key factors. The Muladhara chakra is linked to survival instincts, fear, insecurity, and violence. If this chakra becomes imbalanced, it can lead to anxiety, mental instability, and an overwhelming attachment to material things. Tantric practitioners aim to awaken this chakra, clearing negative energy and strengthening the individual. But if not properly controlled, it may also bring about fear-based experiences, which can be unsettling. The Svadhisthana chakra is tied to sexual energy, emotions, desires, and attachments. If imbalanced, a person might experience excessive lust, greed, or emotional turmoil. Tantric practices guide these energies towards balance, yet there is often a perception that Tantra is synonymous with desire, attachment, or even black magic. This misconception arises from the intensity of the practices and their focus on the more primal energies. Many people mistakenly associate Tantra with black magic, sorcery, and dangerous rituals. In reality, Tantra is a higher spiritual practice designed to help individuals gain control over their energy, awaken Kundalini, and attain self-knowledge. However, when misused for selfish purposes, Tantra can certainly create fear and misunderstanding in society. In Tantra, the primary focus is often on the lower chakras, particularly those below the Manipura, solar plexus chakra, where much of the dormant energy resides. The truth is, everyone has the same energy within them, and fear, often associated with tantric practices, is simply a psychological phenomenon created by the mind. The fear of tantrics, who are sometimes associated with places like Masan, cremation grounds, and dressed in frightening ways, stems from the illusion that their appearance or rituals make them powerful or dangerous. In reality, this is a mental construct, a belief system that shapes our perception. If we remain conscious of the fact that all energy is the same, tantric practices cannot harm us because it's our own beliefs and fears that create harm, not the energy itself. When we break free from these false perceptions, we realize that we are the ones harming ourselves by giving power to these unfounded fears. Now, let's move on to mantra. A mantra is a sacred sound or syllable that holds immense power. Derived from the Sanskrit root man, meaning mind, and tra, meaning tool or instrument, a mantra is essentially a tool for focusing the mind and elevating consciousness. These sounds carry specific vibrations that influence the energy around us and within us, transforming our mental and spiritual states. Mantras are far more than mere chants. Each syllable has a unique vibration and divine energy associated with it. Take the Om Mantra, for instance, the most sacred sound in the universe. It represents the cosmic vibration of creation itself. Chanting Om aligns the practitioner with this universal energy, helping them reach a state of oneness with the cosmos. Mantras serve multiple purposes: protection, wisdom, spiritual awakening, and healing. For example, chanting the mantra Om Namah Shivaya invokes the blessings of Lord Shiva, symbolizing transformation and the removal of obstacles from one's path. While Tantra is focused on opening and balancing the lower chakras, like the Muladhara and Swadhisthana, mantra is considered a more refined practice because it provides energy purification, helps in awakening higher consciousness, and facilitates spiritual advancement. Tantra relies heavily on external rituals, yantras, havan, and sacrifices to channel energy. Mantra, on the other hand, is pure sound energy that resonates deeply with the internal vibrations of our being. Chanting a proper mantra naturally directs energy to the higher chakras, bringing spiritual transformation with minimal external tools. While Tantra often aims to achieve material power or physical benefits, mantra operates at a deeper level, focusing on meditation, Brahman knowledge, and the ascent of Kundalini energy to higher realms of consciousness. Chanting Om Namah Shivaya elevates the Kundalini to the Sahasrara, crown, chakra. The Gayatri Mantra enhances intellect, spiritual wisdom, and expands consciousness. The Mahamrityunjaya Mantra purifies both the body and mind, bringing healing and spiritual clarity. Mantras bring self-purification because their vibrations are inherently aligned with the cosmic frequencies of the universe. However, Tantra, when misused with incorrect intentions like black magic, tamasic practices, or selfish goals, can have negative consequences. Tantra may forcefully activate the Kundalini energy in the Muladhara and Swadhisthana chakras, which, if not carefully guided, can result in imbalance and mental disturbances. Mantra, however, gently guides Kundalini upwards in a safe and controlled manner, ensuring spiritual growth without the risk of mental instability. Tantra is the activation of energy, while mantra is the tool that directs and guides this energy toward higher spiritual goals. Tantra cannot exist without mantras, but mantras cannot exist without Tantra, as the practices are complementary. Mantra governs all tantras, for it has the power to purify even the most powerful tantric rituals themselves. At its essence, mantra is a higher form of spiritual practice, guiding the practitioner toward liberation, moksha, and unified consciousness, whereas Tantra is more concerned with the practical manipulation of energies, often at the material level. Next, let's discuss Yantra. Yantras are geometric patterns that represent the energetic blueprint of the universe. They are physical representations of divine energies used to help focus the mind during meditation or spiritual practices. Unlike mantras, which are based on sound vibrations, yantras are visual representations of energy. They serve as a map of the cosmos, helping practitioners connect with the divine forces through sacred geometry. One of the most revered yantras is the Sri Yantra, which symbolizes the union of feminine and masculine energies and is considered a path to spiritual liberation. Through the use of yantras, practitioners anchor their energies in the physical realm, aligning their inner vibrations with the universal energies represented in the sacred design. When Tantra, Mantra, and Yantra come together, they form a powerful triad that accelerates spiritual growth. Tantra activates and channels the energy within the body. Mantra fine-tunes the mind and aligns it with divine forces through sound. Yantra provides a visual focal point, anchoring the energy in the physical world and helping the practitioner maintain a deep spiritual connection. Together, these three tools form a comprehensive system for spiritual enlightenment. The mantra aligns the mind with higher frequencies. The yantra serves as a visual guide, and Tantra helps channel this energy toward higher states of consciousness. In conclusion, Tantra, Mantra, and Yantra are all indispensable tools for spiritual growth, each serving its unique purpose in the journey towards self-realization. Tantra teaches us to integrate the material and spiritual worlds. Mantra, the power of sound, connects us with the divine forces. Yantra, the sacred geometry, anchors our focus and aligns our energy with the cosmos. Yogi says, by embracing and practicing these ancient arts, we can elevate our consciousness, heal our energy, and ultimately transcend to higher states of being. May your journey toward enlightenment be filled with peace, wisdom, and infinite blessings. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual insights. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep your heart open and your spirit high. Thank you.